What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Collinsville, Mississippi at the Collinsville drag strip for a car show. They got it going right now. Some cars are gonna go down the strip. We're gonna get everybody leaving, so be sure to stay tuned. This is clean right here. Flare side. Looks real good. It almost looks showroom new. Clean OBS. Like that paint, chrome rims. Bunch of cars out here today, pretty good turnout. A little bit of music going, so I don't know if it's picking it up, so I'll be sure to talk over this for a while. Bunch of clean trucks out here. Mainly old schools out here. Bunch of nice stuff. Like this old Bronco right there, it's nice. Some more old schools, nice paint, everything clean. Check out this little hot rod. That's cool. Couple older trucks. Here's another hot rod. Let's check this out. This thing is crazy. Looks like a death trap on wheels. Got the General Lee Dukes of Hazzard. This is nice right here. I like this. Plymouth GTX 440 cubic inches. Looks to be original in there. Nice, nice, nice. Check out this Mopar right here. You know, I'm partial to Mopar because I do own one. But it's so cool to see these old Mopars, regardless who you're a fan of. Take a look under the hood. Looks to be basically original. I like this truck. I like those rims, paint combo, that's nice. Can't beat a red and black combo. Let's check under the hood. That's clean, clean, clean. We got some heavy hitters out here in the Spectator lot. GT500 just pulled in. We got a C8 over here, all black. Nice, nice. Let's check out this GT500. Nice color combination, silver and black stripes. That's nice. Bunch of nice cars over here. A couple of Chevelles, old Ford truck, Mustangs, everything. Nice truck right here. He went down the strip a minute ago. We got him going. I like this Pennzoil Mustang. That's cool right there. All the designs. That's nice. Check out these over here. Oh, they're Firebird, I believe. But check this out. Does anybody know what this is? So it's a Ute, but it's not 100% original. The front is from a Chevy SS. The rest of the car is a legit Ute. The owner said it was cheaper to do it this way rather than to get a legit Ute, but I mean, everything is basically 100% like you would find it on a real one. Got the SS seats, you know, the automatic. It's got the 6.2, of course. This thing is definitely sweet. You never see these. How about this Trans Am? I like this right here. Nice blue paint. I like these seats, those old school seats. They always look so comfortable. And the huge emblem on the hood, that's just perfect. Got a couple more things over here. Older truck, old vet, Beetle, some old other things over here. Here's a nice looking truck out here in the Spectator lot. Check out this Buick GSX Stage 1. That is clean. I don't know if you can see the inside, but I like the pinstripe down this thing, if that's what you would call it. 72, that is nice. Back here in the Spectator lot is where we parked up. This is my 2020 Dodge Challenger RT. And my brother's 2014 Chevy Caprice PPV. If you don't know what these things are, you should look it up. This one's got a big cam from LSX and a 3600 stall. Couple cars over here, old school vet, Fox body, got a Mustang, some other cool things. This music is really loud, so I have to cover over it. Here's some nice cars though. A couple more things over here, a couple Sevelles, nice old Ford truck with a 5.0 swap. Nice, nice. Got an old Mustang, GT350 down here. You got a Fairlane, a couple older vets, C5, looks like a C3. Nice, nice, nice. Truck got it by just a little bit. Ready? Uh-oh, they're coming around for a rematch. I think the V6 might have been a little confused on that countdown. 5.0 got a jump. Over here in the shade, trying to get away from that sun for a little bit. They're about to do awards, and then we're gonna get everybody rolling out. Oh yeah. Gotcha. Oh, we got V6 Mustang back out in the Corolla. Oh my goodness, V6 put it on. truck's lighting them up out here. Come on.
I ain't even gonna try.
Not today. Yes, sir. Have a good one. Failing to burn out there. He's about to run the Corolla. Truck gave him a couple cars. Lining back up. Got the 5.0, the V6. See what they're gonna do. They're about to get it going. Then we got a Beetle and OBS about to go. I've got it, but not by too much. Here we go. Fast and Furious. Oh my goodness. Well, there he goes. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to let me know your favorite ride in the comments below. And until next video, peace.